Hey guys, it's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you're new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button and join the family, because I guarantee if you have good taste, and that's only if you have good taste, you're guaranteed to like it here. Hey y'all, so y'all know when y'all see me in this little corner, we about to get ready to do something to my hair. And no, it's not a retie, because as y'all can see, your girl has already finished up her retie. But y'all know my biggest complaint after doing a retie is that my hair is super duper flat, lifeless, and I already have a long face. See, I'm twinning with my thumb, and we can't have that. We need some volume, some definition, a little poof, because this lifeless, even though it's cute and long, it's too flat for me. So we're gonna have to add some body to it. So for today's video, we're gonna be adding in lilac sprinkles to my hair, as well as doing a cute Bantu knot out. I wanted to do a pipe cleaner curl set for y'all, but we're gonna do that in another video. But for this one, we are doing a cute Bantu knot out. I haven't did a Bantu knot out in a while, and I'm kind of excited to see how it goes. So if you guys are interested and just excited to see how it goes right along with me, make sure you stay tuned. All right, y'all. So my hair is like freshly retied, like just finished a retie yesterday, and I love adding my lock beads and all of this, my lock sprinkles and everything to my locks right before I do a style. So that way when I do the style, the lock beads will already be incorporated into it. So what I'm going to do, or what I'm going to use for my lock beads, are just these beads. I bought like a variety pack of them. I haven't used any of the rose gold beads, but I'm going to be using these gold beads here. They're about a bunch of different sizes. We have circles, crowns, because y'all know I'm royalty. We got some stars, because I'm a star. And we got some little cubes here. So we're going to be using those to put in our hair to give it a cute little razzle dazzle. And then we're going to be doing the Bantu knots. So before we do everything, I'm going to give y'all a quick little look at these locks, because baby, the locks are definitely locking. When I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before, I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Sure, I feel like I be so in love with my locks all the time, but after a retie, that retie glow, it just hit a little different. It just hit a little different. But yeah, so this is what the locks are currently looking like right now. As y'all can see, I got some baby locks starting on the side. That postpartum hair growth is coming back in, so we starting over with the little babies on the side. But anyway, so let's get into the lock sprinkles. So what I'm just gonna do is go through my hair and pick out a couple of locks that I feel like I want to highlight. And it's mostly going to be in the front. It's not going to be any in the back, but just in the front, like the pieces that I use to frame my face, like this one here. Now me, I do not sew any lock sprinkles in my hair. I don't do it. So what I like to do is I use this little beader. Hopefully y'all can see that. I put the bead onto the beader like that. I take the bead, or I take the lock, put the hair through the beader. And I just, as I put it through the beater, I slide the bead right on up. All right, y'all, so I ended up breaking my beater, so we are just gonna use what's left of it. I ended up pulling a piece off by accident. So what we do is we take the beater, or what's left of it, and we open it up, and then we push our lock bead on it, just like that. No, that one kind of low. Actually, no, I want that one kind of high. It's gonna fall where it's gonna fall. Boom. There we go. So we're gonna finish this process and we're gonna add more lock beads, lock sprinkles, whatever y'all wanna call them. That's what we're about to do. All right, y'all. So this is what we have. I didn't want to do too much. I just wanted to, add a little razzle dazzle. And then I think it looks cute because when I do wear my hair flipped over like I normally do, all of the beads will be sitting like right here. And it's just like accenting, what am I trying to say? It's just decorating this side of my face, adding a little something to the side of my face. What y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So this is what they look like. I just added a couple of them sprinkled out throughout the front, and I think that looks cute. So yeah, so for right now, we about to get into the fun part. When what I mean fun, it ain't fun. We about to get into the Bantu knots of it all. So I want these curls to be kind of big, kind of like not tight curls. So I'm not going to make the Bantu knots too small. I think I want to go with like maybe 6 to 9 large Bantu knots all over my head. So we're going to get started with that. I just want to part it down the middle and I'm going to work on a half at a side. So a half, I'm going to work on one half at a time. So I'm going to take this side and put it away. I'm going to work on that one later. Oh, that cute was like the little pigtail. Hey, it's giving Friday. What? Her name ain't Friday, girl. Her name is Wednesday. Look, y'all, it's kind of early if y'all can't even tell. It's like 5:30 in the morning. Anyway, so yeah, so we got this half. And then I'm going to take this front half, separate it. All right, so we are going to start with this front section here. And I think I might make this like 2. Actually, I could possibly just make this 1 because it's not that much yet. So we're going to take this section here, spray it with a little water. I don't want it to be super wet. I just want it to be a little damp. And we're going to twist it. And then roll it. So we're going to use a hair tie. Wrap it around. And make sure I'm not pulling it too tight because y'all know I did just do my retie. So we don't want to cause no tension. Boom. First little Bantu knot done. And we just going to go ahead and repeat this process, y'all. All right, y'all, this is what we have. So y'all know this process takes a little time. So we're going to go ahead and let this sit up, and I'm going to come back to y'all later once I take it down to see what it's going to look like. All right, y'all, this is what the final look looks like. Don't mind the kids, we're actually getting ready to go, but this is what it looks like. It didn't do much of a curl like I wanted it to, but it gave it a little bit of body and it gave it a little wave to it. So let me show y'all. Yeah, so this is what it looked like. I think it looks really cute with the lock sprinkles that I added in there. It kind of gave it a little boom, and I love that. So yeah, so if you guys made it to this point in the video, you obviously have good taste. Let me know what you think of my hair down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all in my next one. Peace.